Hello guys, today I will teach you how to fix laggy or stuttering stream on Discord. Please watch carefully and follow my steps, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start. First, close the Discord. Go to this arrow up here in lower right. Click, find the Discord icon. Click right click and quit Discord to restart the Discord app. And after that, try if the stream in Discord is fixed. So if still laggy or stutter, go to graphic settings, go to change default graphic settings, then you can off here. Then if you turn off this, it will say you need to restart your PC, because sometimes if this off is more optimized on apps, but for me it's on because I don't have any problem in my stream in Discord. If your Discord is still stutter or lag, go to settings, Discord settings, go to sound, and if your streaming is still laggy and stutter, go to settings, go to voice and video, scroll down, try to turn off this open H.264 video codec provided by Cisco System Inc. Turn it off and try to stream. If the stream is already fixed, go here again in voice and video, then turn on this open H.264 video codec, then echo cancellation, then turn off the hardware acceleration. If your stream is still laggy, so go to settings, go to advanced, and turn off the hardware acceleration. Then the Discord will restart, and wait for it to restart. Then if you still laggy, try to enable it again. Advanced hardware acceleration. Okay, that's it, and try to stream again. If you still have problem in Discord stream or still stutter, try to go to task manager, find the Discord here, just make sure you are here in process, then find the Discord, right click and end task to restart the Discord, and reopen. Then try to stream again. If you still have the problem on streaming and it still stutter, try to right click your stream, uncheck the show my screen share, confirm, and it helps to decrease the memory you use while you're streaming. And if you still have a problem in streaming in Discord and it still stutter, try to go to CMD, right click, run as administrator. This is the last option. I know that it helps you to fix the problem. Then try to copy here and paste it here. You need to do it one by one. First, the ipconfig, second one is here, third. After you do this all, I'm sure that your stream problem will be solved. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you follow my steps and understand the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you.